What's up, YouTube? Don Fron with the Don Fron Show here. And much like a video we just made talking about Apple, Tesla announces a 5-for-1 stock split. So what this means, I didn't even check the date. So it will begin trading on the stock split adjusted basis on August 31st, 2020. It'll be distributed on August 28th. What this means is whatever the price it closes at, you will have 5 shares for your 1 share you currently have. So again, like we talked about before, it's a stock split. So technically, nothing happens. If you have $2,000 in there, you will still have $2,000 after. But let's say it does rise for easy math. We take it up to $2,000. This is a pretty bullish move. As you can see, after hours, we are up a ridiculous amount, like $102. We're up, yeah, a pretty decent amount. So we actually just hit this speed bump zone, and we're selling off right now. And in fact, these alerts are what let me know something crazy was going on. I was just talking about with the mentorship group that I was short this intraday, but I wasn't going to swing it. This wasn't looking like a strong close. As far as my long position goes, I have just a little bit won. I hate that, but I'm definitely going to add on now, as this could be seen as a pretty bullish move, right? What a lot of people are going to think now, the psychology behind it. Oh, Tesla went up to 1,800. It went to a high of 1,775, 1,780. And now we get to do it again, starting from back over. How many people wish they would have bought Tesla at, the cheaper price? Well, now they get to. Nothing fundamentally changes, but even myself and my group, I know a lot of people that didn't like Tesla because of how expensive it was. It was very expensive. Now, as far as options go, it makes the contracts very expensive. So now, as far as people getting into this, it makes it much more attractive to a buyer. So that being said, let the games begin. I do see this as a bullish move. We saw Apple do the same thing. I'm still going to play these zones. Still bullish above here. We're still going to watch all of these. Everything will just be adjusted in the meantime. If for some reason this sells off bearish, we're still looking for, all numbers aside, I thought we were going to bounce here, make a lower high, come down here for a dip buy. But this news does change everything. I'm pretty excited. I actually just jumped to hit the record button as soon as I saw this pop up. This move happened in minutes. So got the link. Wanted to jump on here and share that news with everyone else. I know a lot of you guys follow me. You guys are in Tesla. You guys like Tesla. You've been talking to me about these levels. It sucked to see this level right here starting to break, and now we might get the bulls back out. So if you are a Tesla fanboy, get the pitchforks out. Let's light the torches. We're going on a march. If you're a Tesla bull. If you are a Tesla bear, man, that's not the news you wanted to see. I'll put it that way. So we'll take it day by day. Obviously, you don't want to get emotional or trade emotionally. Fundamentally, I'm still a huge fan of this company, so now I get to buy more shares. You guys know I have an investment account. Each week, I deposit money. Now, obviously, I'll be able to buy more shares faster with that same amount of money versus slowly getting shares over time. So let me know in the comments down below, how excited are you for this? I'm actually pretty excited. This makes it much more accessible. It's almost priced out of a lot of people in my group to trade options contracts that like those because you had to pay to play. That's going to be the biggest perk of this, is now it'll be cheaper. Those contracts will be cheaper and easier for everyone to buy. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think? We are actually hundreds of subscribers away from hitting that 10,000 mark on the by the end of August. And if I do that, I'm giving away 100 mentorships, right? Automatically first up, the YouTube members down below, they're the first ones to get it. Everything else down below, we're going to randomly pick from comments. So if you're not a YouTube member, click that join button. Don't do level 2. I'm taking that away. Just level 1. We're going to keep it simple. And I will see you guys in the next video.